Hello, this is Gerald Burns, and for my Screencast tutorial today we're going to learn how to play 2048. The object of the game is to collapse like-numbered tiles into each other, creating the double of that number. This is done until either the 2048 tile is created and you win, or the grid fills up and you have no more moves and you lose. What you see here is a game already in progress. Let's go ahead and click over to a new one, shall we? Alright. Now this game is available free to play on the Bing search engine. Merely type 2048 game and it's already popping up in there. In the search bar, click on the magnifying glass. And here we are. Go ahead and click to play right here. The game gives you some instructions right here. Use the arrow keys. Now the arrow keys are located to the right of your space bar on the bottom of the keyboard, or the letter keys W, A, S, and D to move the tiles up, down, left, or right. Let's go ahead and click play here to initiate a new game. Now when you first begin the game, you will start with two random tiles. They will either be a 2 or a 4. It could be two 2s, two 4s as we have right here, or a 2 and a 4. Now, I'm going to go ahead and use the arrow keys here. When you move in a direction, all tiles move in that direction. Let's go ahead and move down. Alright, now we saw two things happen. All the tiles that were there, the two 4s that we started with, moved down as far as they could go into the grid. And a new tile popped up. We now have a 2 over here on the side. Every time you make a movement, one new tile will pop up in a random open space on the grid. And again, it could be a 2 or a 4, but never anything higher. Now, as I said before, the object of the game is to collapse like-numbered numbers into each other and trying to create higher and higher numbers. Now, if we move to the left, we saw our 2 move all the way to the left, and our 4s moved into each other, making this 8 tile. And we got a new 4 popped up right over here. Now I'd like to finish off our tutorial at the game that I already have started. Now as you can see, the longer you go, the higher number of tiles you get. I have a 1024 tile right here, and the more space gets filled up on your grid. Now I've seen folks kind of go up, down, left, and right in random, sometimes even as fast as they can, just to kind of let chance take control of the game and just see how long it takes for the screen to fill up and the game to end. Now, I'm going to go ahead and take this game and kind of do that. I was doing well, but I'm just going to kind of let it fill up to show you guys. Okay, so here we are. We've got an encouraging statement right here and our score. The game ended automatically once my screen filled. And then we have some options to share on social media. So basically, that is it for 2048. It's one of my favorite games. You can also download it on your phone. It's available on Nintendo 3DS. And I think you might even be able to play it for free on Google, as similar to as we just did here on Bing. So thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. And I hope you enjoy 2048.